Determine the value of C, the last term in each of the following quadratic expressions if the expressions are perfect squares. If the coefficient of the first term is 1, then we complete the square by multiplying a half by 8 to the power of 2. C is equal to 16. Pause and answer. We complete the square, multiply a half by -4 to the power of 2. Therefore, C is equal to 4. To complete the square, we multiply a half by -12 to the power of 2. Therefore, C is equal to 36. Rewrite the following in the form of a open bracket x plus p closed bracket to the power of 2 plus q by completing the square. To complete the square, we have to multiply a half by the coefficient of x to the power of 1. In this case, we will say a half times 2 squared, and we subtract the same value that was added. Now we simplify the brackets. We isolate the trinomial and factorize it into 2 brackets. The repeated bracket we write down once and put it to the power of 2. Pause and answer. A half times -9 to the power of 2. We isolate the trinomial and factorize it. A shortcut would be to square root 81 and 4, so the factors will be -9 over 2. Pause and answer. We complete the square by adding and subtracting a half times 8 to the power of 2, and we keep the 6 as is. Now we simplify the brackets. Isolate the trinomial and factorize it. The brackets will have x plus 4 and x plus 4. Repeated brackets we write as x plus 4 to the power of 2, then we simplify -16 plus 6 equals to -10. Pause and answer. We take out a common factor to get the coefficient of the first term equal to 1. Now we complete the square inside of the bracket. A half times 2 to the power of 2. We add it and subtract it, and keep -3 as is. Now we simplify the brackets. We isolate the trinomial and factorize it. The factorized trinomial will be p plus 1 and p plus 1. -1 minus 3 is -4. Now we multiply out the -2. -2 times -4 equals +8. Mathematics made easy with Mr. Martin.